I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an incremental game in Roblox. We'll start by setting up your game environment and understanding the basic mechanics. You'll learn how to create a simple clicking system that generates currency. Then, we'll cover how to implement upgrades that boost your earnings, making the game engaging and rewarding for players right from the start. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate. You'll need to design a user interface with a button that players can click. We'll then write a script to handle these clicks, adding a specific amount of currency to the player's total each time. This forms the fundamental interaction, allowing players to begin accumulating resources immediately. Next, let's add upgrades. You'll create another UI element for an upgrade shop. Each upgrade will have a cost and a benefit, like increasing clicks by 25% or adding 10 currency per second. We'll script these upgrades to deduct currency upon purchase and apply their effects, giving players meaningful ways to spend their earnings and progress. Finally, we'll implement data saving so players don't lose their progress. This is crucial for long-term engagement. We'll also add some polish, like sound effects for clicks and visual cues for upgrades, making the game feel more responsive and fun. Remember to test everything extensively to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.